I've always known that Copilot can be used to draft emails. It's one of those use cases that's often mentioned when talking about Copilot, but personally, I've never used it. Why? I don't know. I guess I feel like I'm perfectly capable of writing an email, so why bother? And I'm sure there's many out there who feel the same way and maybe haven't tried it. Well, this week I'm on the road in New Zealand with our ANZ regional team, and I actually used this feature, right? I had an action item on my plate from the week before that I'd promised to follow up and needed to make an introductory email to connect some folks, and you'd think this would be an easy email, but I don't know. Maybe it was a touch of jet lag, or maybe because I was multitasking between sessions, or still dreaming about that amazing pavlova. But whatever it was, I just didn't have the brain power at that second, and I was staring at a blank new email page, trying to think of some inspiration when I saw the draft with Copilot suggestions staring at me, and I thought this was a great excuse to open it up and just brain dump into the prompt. Like I'm like, I got to send a short introductory email between these two people to get them connected, to get them talking about this thing that they've got to do. And sure enough, like Copilot was able to take that and turn it into an email. So it got me over not so much writer's block, but it did get me over the hump that I needed to do and gave me that draft. And with a little bit of tweaking, putting it in my own voice a little bit, and adding a little bit more context. I mean, I had something pretty much ready to go. So I found it really useful. Let me know if you also use the draft with Copilot in your email in a day-to-day setting, and I'd love to hear about it.